Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and I am so freaking pumped you're here because today's video is an unboxing video and I know you love unboxing videos and so do I. This one is gonna be so much fun. This unboxing is of the Petunia Pickle Bottom Boxy Backpack in their brand new spring print called Botanical, which looks gorgeous online, so I'm so excited to see it in person, show you it in all natural lighting so you can get a really good idea of what it looks like. I think you're gonna love it. Let's get into it. Okay, it is so freaking cute. I can see it already. And this bag is coming in their leatherette collection, so it's a little bit of a different fabric. So I will try to explain that as best as I possibly can for you. Okay, can you see already how much this matches my house and the room we're currently sitting in? It has gorgeous greens and grays. This is so pretty, and I didn't realize that this is the rose gold hardware that I love. This feels amazing. If you've ever owned a Boxy Backpack, this fabric is a little bit smoother, a little bit softer. It feels really good. Okay, so here is your first look without the plastic. It is so pretty. The Boxy Backpack, if you're not super familiar, has a magnetic flap here, which also snaps like that underneath. So you have like all this protection if you just wanna let it be a magnetic flap, or if you do wanna go ahead and snap it. Because the fabric is a little bit different, this actually feels a lot lighter than Boxy Backpacks I've owned in the past, which I'm really excited about. Let's take off the little paper here on the sides. So this is a zip down changing area pocket, and if you don't need the changing mat it comes with, you can just take that off. It's Velcroed right there, and then you just use this as some internal organization for yourself. And then on the side, of course, you have a bottle pocket, and the inside is super wipeable on that. Okay, this is new to me. This is a super cute little change purse, or just like mommy essentials little tiny bag it comes with. I've never seen that before and I think it's darling. And then underneath that is another bottle pocket, because you literally can never have too many bottle pockets when you're out with your kids. I have 3 kids and it's probably like my #1 necessary feature on a bag is bottle pockets. I love them, I need them every day. Now up at the top is the messenger strap. It is black, it does have the rose gold hardware. And then on the top of the bag, there is a double zipper pull, which I am all about. And then we got some paper to deal with. A lot of paper in here, keeping it all happy and sturdy and all of that good stuff. We're just gonna nonchalantly toss it all out. Okay, this is why moms love this bag. It opens up really wide and there is so much room in here. There are 4 slip pockets. 2 are elasticized on the sides here. You'll see more in my review and packing video on that. And 2 others are slip pockets here in the front. There is a zipper pocket at the back of the bag. And again, just so much room for all of your stuff and your kids' stuff and the newborn stuff and the other person's stuff all in here. And attached to the little key fob here are these stroller straps that would just like, you'd loop them around and they'd hook up onto your stroller. There's a little instruction guide there on how to use it all. Okay, everything on the back of here looks like it has been updated from previous Boxy Backpacks. So these backpack straps have padding, they're adjustable, there's still your awesome grab handle here at the top, 2 D-rings here to allow the bag to hang on your stroller, and there's an added pocket. Paper off, and this is, yep, a flannel lined tech pocket. So you can just keep your phone right in there and you're good to go. You don't have to fumble around for it. Okay, that is a quick look at all of the organization on this bag as we unwrapped it. Of course, I'll have a more in-depth review upcoming in my packing and review video on this bag. I hope that gives you a really good idea of what's going on. Again, this is the absolutely beautiful botanical print, which is brand new and is on Petunia Pickle Bottom's website right now. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description box so you go ahead and shop this bag right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford. I hope to see you over there and back here on my channel super soon. Bye guys!